MicroHikari3D, automated DIY digital microscopy platform with deep learning capabilities. MicroHikari3D is an affordable DIY optical microscopy platform with automated sample positioning, autofocus, and several illumination modalities to provide a high-quality, flexible microscopy tool for labs with a short budget. It has two illumination systems, an upper one with an RGBW ring and a lower one with lighting plates. The standard size light base allows for fixed placement and allows for automatic scanning or panning. It can be printed on a 3D printer or a commercial part. The client server model underpins the microscope. The server is hosted on a Raspberry Pi 4 and controlled with a mobile application. An application for Android devices has been implemented to control all the functions. Some of the results are shown below: an aqueous medium sample, breast tissue sample, and a human hair sample.